Our vacuum cleaner is the only appliance in our home that we use in basically every room on a regular basis. That's why we really sell well with the Sanitaire. This is the SB782B. This is Sanitaire's little big machine. Small in size, big on performance. The handle folds down for storage. Bring it up like this. It is a bagged unit with the bag in the front, feeds from the top down. HEPA filtration on the bottom here on your exhaust. Amp bare floor. If you push the button down once, you'll have for bare floor. Second, it will turn on the agitator for your carpet. It does have a light indicator for your bag. When it's full, you don't need to guess when your bag needs to be replaced. It will let you know. Another nice feature about this vacuum is when you're vacuuming, you run up on something that's going to clog the vacuum, it will turn off the agitator. There's not any belt burning, anything happens to your motor. So you can simply just take it out, hit the reset button, and your agitator will come back on. Another nice feature is that you can fold the handle down if you're doing stairs. And that's the Sanitaire S782B.